Excuse me. Yo. Hello? Is this my Uber? Are you Desmond?
What your name?
TJ.
Yeah, man, are you that? Jump in.
Oh, I thought it was meant to be
Jump in, I don't look like you. We are though.
Told me to jump in, bro.
Brother, you know, that's why only the Empress to sit down here, bro. Man, you jump in that back seat, no man.
What?
No man, now go in front seat. What do you man? Jump in that back seat.
Alright, bro.
When you jump in my car, don't slam the door.
My bad.
Yeah, hear me? Where you go now?
I put the destination in on the app, bro.
No, me I ask you where you go. Me have to make sure say the correct destination where you go.
I'm going to my friend's
Talk
house.
up, no man. You're not out.
I'm going to my friend's house.
Oh, you go to your friend's house?
Yes.
I go get gal, I go get jiggy.
It's
You
like
go gal.
No, it's a family friend.
Oh,
bro.
family friend.
Yeah, they're like 14.
So she have a mother.
Why are you asking these questions? On the app, it said that you drove a Toyota.
You're blind, you see a big Benz me I drive. Bumbo clock one no. Me give girl like a piece, give like a piece, I'm a breed the girl. Maybe breed the girl. Everything in my life just don't make that sense right now. You see it, my boss?
Yo, how long are we gonna be?
Ready, hold off no man. Yeah, hold off split.
I'm just trying to get to my destination.
Hold this and ease yourself, man. I'm soon ready.